Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zoeshaaa, and I'm really excited about today's video because I get to unbox an item that I have been dying for. This is an item that every YouTuber should have, this is an essential item that you need. Like, everybody needs one of these. So if you're interested, if you don't have one as of yet, and you're interested in reviews about this item that I'm going to be unboxing, if you're shopping for one and you don't know what it is that you want to get as of yet, stay tuned and continue watching this video because, girl or boy, I know exactly where you're coming from. Okay, so yeah, just continue watching the video. Alright, so like I said, this item that I'm about to unbox is an essential item that every YouTuber should have. Like, other than a computer and some sort of recording device, you need proper lighting. And a ring light is the next best thing to natural lighting, especially if you're somebody like myself who works mostly during the day. So when they get home, it's normally evening time, so there's not really that much natural lighting left outside to record videos. This thing comes in like, that's all that I can say for it. Like, oh my god, I don't know why it's taken me so long to get one, but believe me, like, my life has changed now. I was like so down like maybe like a week ago, and I was talking to, you know, some of my sisters, and I was just telling them like, yo, like, I feel like my quality needs to be up there. Like, I need to do such a big revamp, and I'm just really excited because I'm one step closer to that. So, oh my god, it's huge. So I got a ring light. Woo! Yup, I got a ring light, and it's in this big ass mother freaking box. Okay, now I have not opened it at all. I was like, I'm waiting for it.
Yesterday I waited all day for it, and then the guy didn't even deliver it. He was supposed to leave a friggin' notice card. He didn't even leave the notice card, so I was on the phone with Canada Post for damn near an hour trying to make sure that I got my package yesterday, because I paid $3.99 extra to get this package yesterday.
Okay, so yeah, I'm really freaking excited. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys what it is, and I'm gonna tell you some details about what it is exactly that I ordered. Ugh. When the lady brought out the box, I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. Woo! So I got the Neewer ring light. Yes, I did. Okay, nothing comes out. Oh, why is this box so heavy though? Oh, there is more stuff in there. Hold on. And then there's this. Okay, I'll figure it out what everything is when I open everything. But yeah, all right. So this ring light, you guys, I purchased it off of Amazon, and I believe it was 215 Canadian dollars. Now, I got an 18 outer inch, I think 14 inch inner circle, and I got a package that comes with the stand. So that is why it was $215, which I think was an amazing deal compared to a lot of other ones that I was seeing out there with all of the stuff that it comes with. So let's just, you know, get into it and see. I'm sorry you guys can't really see me taking it. Okay, so when you open it, whoa, it looks like this. Oh, oops, something fell out. I don't want anything else to fall out. So it's really padded, which is really, really good. Okay, and then it comes with these things. I'll explain these things later. That's the orange one, and this is the white one. Yeah. And then it's the ring light. Oh my god! OMG, you guys don't freaking understand. Like, hello, I'm late to the club, but I'm so freaking happy. Like, this shit is lit. Like, oh, hello, oh, okay. Okay, so I'll definitely keep the padding in there. That's pretty cool. I like that. So, yeah, so it comes with obviously the carrying case, which is ginormous. And then it comes with, like I said, the ring light. So this one is actually a dimmable ring light. A lot of the ring lights, really, you guys read the product details and reviews. It's so important to research before you press buy, because you don't know, and you could find something else that's totally better than what it is that you're already buying, right? So do your research first. So I found one that is dimmable, so it doesn't necessarily have to stay at one specific type of brightness. And then, yeah, so let me think, wait. And then it came with this little card thingy inside. And it says, "Dear customer, thank you for your recent purchase. My name is Ju Wang and I am the president of Neewer Technology." All right, no instructions on how to put it together though. So I guess we're gonna have to learn. Okay, I got my little thingy here. My little plug. So let me plug this in and see what we are working with. Okay, well, first things first, this came bent. Okay. Okay. Mine may get electrocuted. Okay. So you're in. So it's plugged in. How do we turn it? Oh, power. Oh my god! Do you see the difference already? No, you guys. Oh my freaking god. If you guys even see my room, how bright my room is right now. Okay, so it says on, and then it gets, you see? So you're able to adjust it. So this is at its brightest, and then you get to dim it down. That is so fucking lit. And then it powers off just like that. So it's a little twisty thing at the back, if you can see it. Right there. Right here, that controls it. And yeah. And then, like I said, I got this with the stand. Just so you know, I didn't have to purchase one on its own. So, because you never know what kind of videos it is that you're going to be recording or whatever. Or whatever the case may be. Oh my god. So, yeah, it comes with all of this stuff. I'm guessing you have to screw something or something, and then it works. Yeah, and then you would put the ring light on this, pretty much like a tripod, right? But for your ring lights, and you know, you can attach your camera to it. And yeah, and then I got this. It came with these little plate thingies that you can put over it to like change the color. It came with these plates that you can put onto the ring light where it will change, you know, obviously the effect of the ring light. So I'm guessing, I don't know exactly, I probably have to review this a little bit more, but I figured that this would definitely come in handy depending on where it is that I'm going to be recording and stuff like that. So this is also a plus to have, you know, because you just never know. You never know. You just never know. So yeah, like I said, I got all of this for $215 off of Amazon, and it was an amazing buy. I'm really, really excited about that. That's all the information that I have for the ring light. Obviously, like, I'm freaking in love with it already because the brightness, that's lit. Like, but like I said, this is something that you should definitely work towards saving towards. And you don't even necessarily have to get the stand. They do sell the ring light separately on its own, where you can get it for a much cheaper price. But I just figured it just made sense to get them both together instead of buying one and then later on buying another one. So yeah, and the difference isn't really that much of a difference compared to what it costs on its own plus with the stand. So yeah, but like I said, do your research, see what works better for you. Neewer might not be the company for you that you may end up getting your ring light from, but that's where I've purchased mine from. I've read reviews and seen other videos and, you know, took my time to research about the company and the product, and I was satisfied, and as you can see, like, I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped somebody out there, like I said, who is either starting out a YouTube channel and is looking to purchase all of the necessities in order to start, or somebody who, like myself, has been doing YouTube videos and just wants to upgrade their quality. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching the video. If you like the video, please leave a comment below, give the video a thumbs up, and share the video as so yeah, my phone's about to die. As you can see, my flash is now gone, but luckily I don't have to worry about that anymore because I have a ring light to replace that. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye.
Ooh.